To do a railroad crossing, practice a railroad crossing. First thing I need to do is to make sure my master switch is off. As I'm approaching the railroad tracks, there's going to be a yellow sign. That's kind of a guide for the 1 to 300 foot away from the tracks. I'm going to start my hazard lights. As I'm pulling up toward the tracks, I'm going to open my window and I'm going to activate my noise suppression system. I'm going to stop at 15 to 50 foot from the tracks, which is approximately the crossbuck sign. I'm going to listen. I'm going to look, ensure that there's no train coming. When it's safe, I'll proceed. And as my rear wheels are crossing the tracks, I will cancel the hazards and continue as normal. I'm going to practice doing a railroad crossing as well as pretending that there's a train that's going to be crossing in front of us. So the first thing we want to do on this one is, once again, we make sure that our master switch is off. And we're going to be watching for the yellow railroad crossing sign, and that's where we're going to be turning on our hazard lights, which is about 1 to 300 foot from the tracks. While we're pulling up, we're going to go ahead and open our window. We're going to turn our noise suppressor on, and when we get 15 to 50 foot from the tracks, we're going to stop, which is about at the crossbuck sign. And as you can see, the view is obstructed to the right here, so this is some places that we need to be really careful about looking and listening and making sure there's no train coming. So I'm going to creep up just a little bit to make sure. Well, sure enough, we're going to pretend that there's a train coming across here, and because of that, we're going to set our parking brake, and we're going to put it in neutral. And then we're going to have to wait until the train finishes going across in front of us. So now the train has finished coming across in front of us. We're going to put it in drive. We're going to release our parking brake. We're going to listen and look again just to make sure everything is safe. When it is, we'll proceed. And as we're crossing the tracks, we'll wait till we get to our rear wheels are crossing, and we'll cancel our hazards and continue on.